Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Verify you're signed into the Google account that's syncing. Close any programs that keep files open so changes don't fail. Now open Google Drive. On mobile, use the app. On desktop, open Drive for desktop and click the system tray icon. Once open, go straight to Preferences or Settings to access sync controls. This is where you'll stop automatic uploads rather than deleting files. Next, focus on which folders are syncing. In Preferences, find My Drive or Google Drive folder list and switch to Selective Sync. Uncheck folders you want to stop syncing. This prevents new uploads and removes local copies if you choose. Make sure to apply or save settings so the app reevaluates network activity. If you're on mobile, disable backup and sync for specific folders or photos. Once done, the client will update and stop transferring those items. To stop all automatic syncing, toggle off the primary sync switch labeled Sync My Drive to this computer or backup and sync depending on your client. You can pause syncing first to test effects. If satisfied, turn it off permanently. Make sure to restart the Drive app or your device so settings propagate and any queued transfers clear. Troubleshooting tip. If sync persists, sign out and sign back in, check multiple accounts, and inspect OS-level file access permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.